What's up? How's it going? Welcome to my channel. I am about to react to B.A.P 1004 or Angel, it says in brackets. I've nearly come to the end of watching their music videos. How do I stall? I don't want to finish watching B.A.P. I don't want to finish discovering B.A.P. So, I'm sorry. Let's do this. B.A.P 1004 or Angel, I don't know. Play. Yeah. TS Entertainment. We're running. We're running. We're running. What the heck is that? Is that supposed to be bones or something? We're in a house. Hi, Day. Oh, a toy house. Oh, we're gonna watch a movie. Don't look at him, Chan's eyes. He'll draw you in. Oh, look at his smile. Oh. Dances. Mirror, mirror. Whoa. Oh, I like that. Hi, Young Jay. Oh. Jump up. Oh, he's crying. Don't look at him. He draws you in. I'm looking. What are we trying to fight? Come to me now. Oh. Oh. Oh, don't cry him, Jan. Oh, look at you, I'm sorry. No, I'm just kidding, I'm sorry. Where is she? Ooh. Oh! Baby cello. Oh, what's the guns? What is up with this? Oh my god. Oh, what did he find? Can't shoot yourself. You're too pretty to shoot. Okay? Stop. Just stop. Am I crying? What the heck? Jonah, take my hand. Take it. Stop. I can watch. Yeah, put it down. Oh, Young Jay. Ooh. can't breathe. Look at their dance face. Oh. Oh. Wait, don't. Don't do it. Oh. Please don't do it. Stop. Breathe. Just breathe. Oh, why? Oh. Why are they always gonna shoot somebody? Oh. It's just the hay fever. It's just the hay fever. Oh. Oh. Him-chan's too pretty to shoot. Not that I want any of them to get shot. How did they do this to me? Oh. Whenever something bad happens to one of them, I just feel like crying. Oh. They just make the feels uncontrollable. B.A.P. Oh. They were just... She was there and she wasn't there. They were trying to find a treasure. I don't even know what. Okay. We love you, B.A.P. I'm just being a big sookie now. I'm just being a crybaby. Okay. Breathe. Rain it in. Rain it in. Okay. They're just so cool. Oh, yay. Aren't they? But aren't they? Aren't they just so cool? I mean, you know that. Wait, what the? What is this? Oh, we might as well watch. Oh, okay. We're watching this now, so I don't know. I pushed the wrong button. What is this? B.A.P. live. In NYC, rain sound. Pepsi. Sponsorship. Jonah. Breathing. Breathing. Oh, Young Jay's voice in this song is so good. Everyone loves Baby Cello. Cello. Where are they? I mean, they're in New York City, but where? Where? They must be outside watching on screens, of course. Ready, here it comes! Yeah! His voice is so good! And everybody gets shot. Oh my gosh, if I react like this while I'm watching them, or watching their music videos, I'm sure I would probably cry my heart out. Cry my eyes out. Ooh, I'd be a big crybaby if I ever saw them live. Okay. B.A.P. Live. Rain sound. And we just watched B.A.P. Angel or 1004. I love these guys. Love you, B.A.P. 사랑해. Okay. I'll see everybody next time. Bye.